Welcome to our channel Future Stenographers. Ready for the dictation? 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Ready? Start. This order shall dispose of application for grant of anticipatory bail filed on behalf of petitioners. Stop. Present case was registered on the statement of the complainant Anil Kumar on 19th October 2009 regarding the alleged occurrence on 17th October 2009 wherein complainant has alleged that when he with his friend Rocky was going to police station for lodging complaint against petitioner and have reached near Balakram bus stand. Petitioner intervened and asked him where he was going. Stop. Complainant further alleges that Sonu, Tiku, and Arjun were also present there at that time. Stop. Sonu caught hold of the complainant from behind and said to Ram Chand to beat him. Stop. Rocky was caught by Tiku and the complainant was dragged in the gully. Stop. Petitioner number 1 picked a danda and hit him on his head. Stop. In the meanwhile, his father and brother Harish came there with dandas and started beating the complainant. Stop. On receiving injuries, the complainant fell down and even then the petitioners continued beating him. Stop. It was further alleged that the complainant became unconscious and when he was taken in the police van he regained consciousness and so his brother Shiv Kumar and Deepak are also having received injuries. Stop. It is further alleged that petitioners had caused injuries to him with the intention to kill him. Stop. Next para. It is contended by learned counsel for the petitioners that petitioners have been falsely implicated in this case. Stop. Initially, under section 107 upon 151 CRPC was prepared against petitioner. Stop. Later on, present FIR was registered on 19th October 2009. Stop. There has been delay in lodging of the FIR and as such petitioners may be granted anticipatory bail. Stop. On the other hand, it is contended by learned counsel for state that as per statement of the complainant, present petitioners gave beating with danda to the complainant and his brothers Shiv Kumar and Deepak who also received injuries. Stop. As per medical report, complainant has suffered grievous injuries while two other injured received simple injuries. Stop. Petitioners are absconding and they are not joining the investigation and as such bail application should be dismissed. Stop. As per FIR, serious allegations have been made against petitioners. Stop. Petitioners have caused serious injuries to one of the injured while simple injuries have been caused to others. Stop. The apex court has laid down the following proposition with regard to grant of anticipatory bail. Inverted comma start. The power under section 438 CRPC is of an extraordinary character and must be exercised sparingly and in exceptional cases only. The said power is not unguided or unanalyzed, but all the limitations imposed in the preceding section 437 CRPC are implicated therein and must be read into section 438 as well. In addition to the limitations imposed in section 437, the petitioner must further make out a special case for the exercise of the power grant anticipatory bail inverted comma closed stop. Supreme Court in a recent decision HDFC versus JJ Man observed. Stop. Next para, inverted comma start. The object of section 438 CRPC has been repeatedly explained by this court and the high courts to mean that a person should not be harassed or humiliated in order to satisfy the grudge or personal vendetta of the complainant. Stop. But at the same time, the provisions of section 438 CRPC cannot also be invoked to exempt the accused from surrendering to the court after the investigation is complete and if charge sheet is filed against him. Full stop.